Hey beauties, how's it going? Jessica here from Grace and Flow, and I'm going to go through some tools that you guys can use starting today for mindfulness and to help you increase your productivity. So it's all about being present, quieting the chatter going on in your mind. I'm a yoga and meditation instructor, and we also plan women's wellness events and corporate events and retreats, and we do corporate wellness with our business Grace and Flow. So I want to share some of these tools and tips with you guys. Now, I am also a busy mom and a career woman, an entrepreneur, have my own business, so I constantly have chatter. I feel like 24/7 there's stuff going on in my mind, and I really do practice some mindfulness and intentional sort of quieting of the mind, and I find it really helpful. It helps to provide clarity, it helps me to make decisions, and it helps me to create some direction into what I'm doing and intention in my day-to-day activities. So let's get started. All right, so first thing is narrate what you're doing. Now this might seem kind of crazy, but if you start to narrate what you're doing, it actually stops your mind from going in a million different places, and it brings it really present. So right here, right now. So one thing I like to say is with your breath, focus on the in-breath as the in-breath. So thinking, I am breathing in. Focus on the out-breath as the out-breath. I am breathing out. Good, so keep that going. I am breathing in. Try it right now with me. Good, I am breathing out. Good, and you can keep this going. It's really challenging. Your mind is gonna wander, and that is absolutely normal, totally okay. Just acknowledge it and then bring it back to the breath. So this will get better with practice, and you can also do it with other things. Like sometimes I like to do it when I'm brushing my teeth. As you're brushing your teeth, you are narrating it. So I am brushing my teeth, right? I'm brushing the teeth at the back. I am brushing the front. I'm brushing the top. I'm brushing the bottom. Whatever it is. It doesn't have to be for very long, but it really does help to kind of calm the mind, focus on what you're doing, washing dishes, driving your car, making decisions. I am deciding which way to go. So kind of like thinking about what you're doing in a narrative sort of form. Now it does take practice. So maybe set a reminder, set an alarm during your day, get up, have a glass of water, and then try to incorporate these mindfulness techniques into your day. Even if you do it just for like 30 seconds or a minute each day, you will see results. I guarantee that you will see increased mental clarity, help with your decision making, and will really help to calm the chatter and help with your productivity. Now, one last thing, and I know a lot of us don't have time for this, but if you do have an opportunity to get outside every day, and even if it's just like on your way to your car to go to work or whatever it is, just take 30 seconds, a minute, whatever it is, to think about what it's like to be outside. So when you're outside, take a breath, and I like to think about the 5 senses. So notice what you smell. Did it just rain? Maybe notice the smell of the fresh rain. Good, so take a breath in, notice that, notice the sounds. Is there birds chirping, right? Do you notice some rain falling, whatever it is, wind, the sound of wind, senses on your skin. So feel of cool breeze on your skin, the warm sun on your face. That might feel really nice. And if you have the chance, maybe you're in sandals or flip-flops or something, quickly slip those off and stand on the grass or stand on the pavement and just notice the feeling of the earth beneath your feet. It can be a really grounding experience. Doesn't take you long. You don't have to do this one every day. I know it's not the easiest, but even if you think of it like once a week or something, it can really help you calm your mind. So try this out. I'd love to hear what you guys think. You can follow us on Instagram at GraceAndFlow, and you can also sign up for our mailing list at GraceAndFlow.ca, and we'd love to help you out with some more tips and tricks. Thanks.